Yeah, what of course the principles of the codes require us is to ensure um, good reporting on performance in various ways. And in light of the principle of long-term value creation, that includes the triangulation of risk, financial return, and impact. And of course, therein lies the complexity in particular, which is the measurement, and which is the reliable data that is required in order to have the right measurements, and then as a result be able to steer and report on it.